In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from GCash to a bank account. First, open the GCash app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap Bank Transfer. This is the feature you'll use to send money from your GCash wallet directly to a local bank. Next, choose the bank where you want to send the money. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the correct bank faster. After that, enter the account name, account number, and the amount you want to transfer. Take your time here, because even one wrong digit can send the money to the wrong account. Once you've entered everything, review the details carefully. Check the bank name, the recipient's account number, and the transfer amount. You should also look at the service fee, if there is one, before you continue. If all the information is correct, tap Confirm or Send. GCash may ask you to verify the transaction, then you'll see a confirmation screen once the transfer is successful. You can also save the receipt or take a screenshot for proof of transfer, especially if you need to send it to the recipient. That's how to transfer GCash to a bank account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.